I woke up like this. RefectoCil Eyelash Lift for the perfect look without mascara or eyelash curler, even after just waking up. New and super quick. Longer and fuller lashes in only 13 minutes for 6 weeks. Perfect lashes for your client. This is how it works. Getting ready. Clean the eye area with RefectoCil Eye Makeup Remover and degrease the eyelids and lashes with RefectoCil Saline Solution. That's how the pads will stay in place and the ingredients can show their best effect. Cover the lower lashes with the silicone pads. The perfect pad. Size matters. The shorter the lashes and the more lifting effect the client wants, the smaller the pad size. You can choose your perfect size out of small, medium, or large. Get it on. Apply sufficient glue to the back of the lifting pads. Allow to dry for some seconds. Hold the eyelid taut with your fingers and position the lifting pad at the edge of the lid as close to the lash line as possible. Please stick with me. Now, apply some glue to the first part of the domed area of the lifting pads. Allow to dry. Secure the top lashes section by section with glue and the rosewood stick using a sweeping upwards motion. Swipe the lashes evenly along the lifting pad, keeping them straight. If lashes are stubborn or keep coming loose, apply some more glue and re-secure the lashes. Upper and bottom lashes must be separated accurately to ensure that only the top lashes are lifted. Start the lifting. Place a pea-sized amount of RefectoCil Lash Perm into the cosmetic dish. Using the cosmetic brush, apply a strip of lash perm to the lower part of the lashes. Application time, only 8 minutes. Afterwards, dab off the lash perm with a dry cotton bud. Keep it neutral. Place a pea-sized amount of RefectoCil Neutralizer in the other cosmetic dish. Using the second cosmetic brush, apply a strip of neutralizer to the same area where you applied lash perm. Application time, only 5 minutes. Afterwards, dab off the neutralizer with a dry cotton bud. Some color? The lashes can now be dyed with RefectoCil tints directly on the lifting pads. It only takes 2 minutes to work. Afterwards, remove the dye with a damp cotton bud. Get free! Wipe the pad several times with a damp cotton pad. Then hold the lid taut as you remove the lifting pads. The lashes reach their final form in dry condition. Care and style. Finish with our styling gel. It coats lashes and is color protecting at the same time. For home care, we advise RefectoCil Lash and Brow Booster and Care Balm. Drama, baby! Ready! Eyelash Lift lifts lashes and gives your customer an intense look. The perfect push-up for the eyes, within 13 minutes for 6 weeks. RefectoCil Eyelash Lift, world's most natural lifting.